Investing, often perceived as a financial domain reserved for the affluent, is actually a viable option for individuals with limited funds seeking to grow their wealth over time. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the strategies and techniques that can empower you to invest wisely, even with very little money. From setting clear financial goals and leveraging the power of compound interest, to exploring low-cost investment options and utilizing innovative technology, this video will provide you with the knowledge and tools to embark on your investment journey with confidence and success. Investing with limited funds doesn't have to feel like trying to win a yacht race with a paddle boat. It's possible to dip your toes into the world of investing without needing a Scrooge McDuck level of wealth. Investing is like planting a money tree, except it won't grow actual money leaves. But if nurtured wisely, your investments can grow over time and provide financial security, help achieve your goals, and maybe even fund your dream petting zoo. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need a briefcase full of cash or a top hat to start investing. It's not just for Wall Street wolves howling at the moon. Regular folks can join in too. Let's debunk the myth that investing is only for the elite. Before diving headfirst into investing, it's crucial to have a plan that's more detailed than get rich quick. Like a GPS for your financial journey, clear goals and a realistic budget will keep you from getting lost in the investing wilderness. Whether you're saving for a new gaming console or planning for retirement in a beachside hammock, having specific investment goals will give your money a purpose. Without a target, you'll be shooting financial arrows blindly into the void. Investing doesn't have to mean surviving on ramen noodles or using candles as your primary light source. By creating a budget that considers your financial reality and goals, you can still invest a little something without sacrificing essentials like Netflix or avocado toast. You don't need a diamond-encrusted account to start investing. There are plenty of affordable options that won't break the bank. Think of it as bargain hunting for your financial future. Micro-investing platforms allow you to invest spare change from your daily transactions, turning your pumpkin spice latte habit into a diversified portfolio. It's like having a tiny financial robot squirreling away pennies for you. No, fractional shares aren't pieces of a broken stock certificate, and ETFs aren't some secret code. These investment tools let you own a fraction of high-priced stocks and access diversified portfolios like a fancy investment guru, all without needing a huge pile of cash. Compound interest is like a magical money tree that grows money on its own. By starting early and letting your investments snowball over time, you can watch your wealth grow faster than a chia pet on steroids. Compound interest is interest on interest, the snowball effect of money making more money. It's the reason why starting to invest now is like planting a financial acorn that will grow into a money oak tree over time. Even if you can only afford to invest pocket change, consistent contributions and smart investment choices can help turbocharge the effects of compound interest. Think of it as feeding your money tree fertilizer and watching it grow into a financial forest. Diversification strategies for small investments. Investing with very little money doesn't mean you can't diversify your portfolio. Diversification is like having a variety pack of snacks. It helps spread risk and potentially increase returns. Diversification is your financial BFF. By investing in different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can protect your portfolio from major losses if one investment goes sour. With limited funds, consider low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that provide instant diversification. You can also invest in fractional shares to spread your money across different stocks without needing a big chunk of change. We hope you learned a few things to get you started on your investment journey. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable videos and leave a like or a comment. Thank you for watching.